Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we make cacao powder not cocoa powder cupcakes. Add 2 butter sticks and 1/4 cup of sugar into a bowl. Beat until sugar dissolves by adding 6 eggs one at a time. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. One cup of flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Then add 3 tablespoons of cacao powder and mix well. Add 1/2 cup of Paleo flour and mix well. Add 1/2 cup of milk and mix well. Add cashew pieces and dried cranberries if you like. Pour the mixture into cupcake trays and add more cashew pieces on top. Bake them in 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. In 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Here they are. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel.